Hi, I'm Terry Graham. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing with Mind's Eye Education. We are a robotics education company that specializes in both the aerial drones as well as ground drones. And today I've got one of our newest products that we've just developed, which is our fully autonomous tractor, which is getting into autonomous farming. As with all of the Mind's Eye products, the students build this from the ground up. The students are going to put together every piece and component of it to include, for as an example, even the transmission. So they're going to put in all the gearing. They're going to figure their tolerances. They're going to learn what the different gear ratios are and how those work together for it. Once they've put this together through the curriculum, they're also learning and doing some coding using Arduino. So we use Arduino coding to do everything. The students are going to put this together. Once it's all programmed and done, now we're going to start working on one of our farm implements, which, for example, today we have our sprayer. The students will build and program this as well. Once we have that done, we put it together by attaching it to the tractor. Now the tractor knows what it's pulling. So as the students program it, they're going to be able to program it for autonomy. We're going to set our waypoints in our control software, take it out to drive out to our field. The tractor now knows, hey, look, I'm in the field, I've got to go do my spray. So it knows what it's attached to. Once it starts, it will then activate all of the servos, turn on the motors, open up the sprayer, turn on the pumps and begin to spray. It now knows how wide it is, and so we've had the students program and build a swath path into the software. So as it goes down each row, it knows that I'm now 5 foot wide. So as I get to the end of that row, I'm going to need a 5 foot path to turn around to come back. So I have slight overspray on each row as I go. Once we've completed the whole field, quote unquote, and we get to the end, the tractor now knows, okay, I'm finished. I've sprayed my field as I'm supposed to. It will then close up the arms, turn everything off, and be ready to drive back to the barn, if you would.